Hey everybody, it's Green Eagle 01 here, and today I will be showing you how to flash a custom kernel on your Android device. Okay, so today I'll be, like I said before, I will be showing you how to flash a custom kernel on your already rooted device. Now, before I do anything, I warn you that as always, whenever you play around with your phone, you have the risk of breaking it. So if anything bad happens, I'm not responsible for anything, so do everything at your own risk. So anyways, let's without any further ado, let's continue. So first step is to see if you're rooted. Now I already know I'm rooted. As you can see, I have like a custom ROM and whatnot. But yeah, check to see if you're rooted. There's an app on the App Store that you can check to see. I think it's called, let's see, I'm pretty sure it's like check root or something. Yeah, root checker, there you go. So just install that and see if you are rooted. Anyway, so that's the first step, see if you're rooted. And then after that, this specific tutorial will be dealing with the Franco kernel, which I personally think is the best, and it is extremely easy to flash these kernels. So what you want to do is you have to make sure if your ROM is actually compatible with the Franco kernel. So I know that my ROM is compatible with it, and that's why I'm going to do it, and that's why I'm going to use the Franco kernel. But yeah, just make sure your ROM is compatible with the Franco kernel. So what you're going to do now is you're going to go into the Play Store. You're going to search up Franco. No, not Frank Sinatra. Franco Kernel Updater. Okay. And it's going to bring you up to here. You do not, this is the paid version. You do not have to buy it. So let's just go to more by whatever, Francisco Franco. Here's the free version. Just get the free version. You do not need the paid version. So you just get the free version and you press install. Once you're done with that and you have it installed, you're going to go ahead and open up. So I'm going to go and I have it right here under my root folder. And here we go. This is what you're going to see, main, whatever. Now, what you want to check first is here's the installed nightly. Here it tells you what kernel you have. Like, okay, so there's like the installed version, right? But you're not really going to be looking at that. Like, you don't really care. Well, most likely you do not have that kernel. So what you're going to do is you're going to see, you're going to press right here, down right here, latest nightly version available. And you can't really press it, but it tells you exactly what the latest version is. So it's 372. Now right here it tells me what I have installed. I have 372, so I'm updated, but you most likely will not be updated. So if you've never used it before. Anyways, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go and press download latest nightly kernel, and it tells you all the other previous versions, but you care about the it'll download the latest one. So what you're going to do is you're not really going to press auto flash because that feature for some reason does not work. So what you're going to do is you're going to press download zip. And then after you press download zip, it's going to download it as it is doing right now. Okay. And then it's going to ask you the kernel.zip was successfully downloaded. You can choose to reboot and the zip will be automatically flashed in recovery. And you want to say yes, bring it on. Now I already have the latest version installed, but I'm just going to reinstall it for demonstration purposes. So just wait until it reboots. The little Android guy right there. Okay, so now what you're going to see here is fail focusing. what you're gonna see here is it says untrusted zip, but you just want to go ahead and you navigate using the volume up and down buttons, and you press enter by pressing power. This is a Verizon Galaxy Nexus. According to your device, it's different for all devices, but that's how you navigate Clockwork Mod recovery with this device. And I forgot to mention, if you want to do this, you have to make sure, yes, your ROM is compatible, but you also want to make sure you have Clockwork Mod recovery or any other type of recovery installed, because if not, it's just impossible. Anyway, so you navigate all the way down to yes, install untrusted zip. You press BAM, and it says it's installing a virus. And it says, there's no escape now. All your bearable... No, okay, I do not know what word. Okay, I think he made up that word. Anyways, and it says, had you freaked out, hang, or whatever. And it says, thank you for installing Franco Kernel. So he just scares you for fun. Anyway, so once it's done installing, right there, you can just press reboot system now. Press the power button. And now your phone is going to reboot. Just wait for it to reboot. Now don't get scared if it takes like forever to reboot. I would say, yeah, give it 10 minutes. If it takes more than 10 minutes, that would be ridiculous. But give it about 10 minutes. If not, something may be wrong again. Do this at your own risk. But other than that, that's pretty much it. As for this boot animation, this is the supposedly leaked Keyline Pi boot animation, which I will do a tutorial later on showing how you can get it. But I think, yeah, I'm just gonna skip to the part where it loads. Okay, so my device rebooted successfully. Okay, there we go. My device rebooted successfully. There we go. Let's check to see if I have it. Now, again, I had it before, but let's see if it worked again. We're gonna go here. No, but settings. System settings. Scroll all the way down, about phone. And if all, okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Franco Kernel. That was the version number 372, and you can see, well, seems to be that's when it was made. But anyways, so yeah, there we go. The kernel version has been successfully flashed right there. And then after that, you can have fun overclocking the heck out of your phone. So that you could just buy set CPU, or you could get free online. They actually, the developers, they actually allow you to get free, or last time I checked. So, but for example, I'm running AOKP, so they have a built-in setting to overclock the CPU. So we go in performance control, I can go all the way to 1.8, but I do not recommend that, because last time I did that, my phone crashed and it was horrible. Yeah, it was a horrible experience. So I recommend just keeping it like, I don't know. Actually, I've gone up to 1.5 gigahertz. That's okay, but any higher than that, I do not recommend. Yeah, and also I should have mentioned this before, but always make a backup before you do anything like this, because if anything goes wrong, you can just restore to your backup and everything is good. Okay, guys, so hopefully you guys did this successfully. I hope this tutorial helped in teaching you how to flash a custom kernel on your rooted Android device. And yeah, so subscribe, thumbs up, and comment below if you want to. Okay, that was all. Peace.